Welcome to Ola Joe the Crocheting Sailor. I'm happy to come on and pop on and tell you about YarnSquare. This is day 24 and I am happy to introduce you to this lovely YarnSquare right here. This is very pretty and this is from Biscay. And this is located in the northeastern Atlantic Ocean and south of the Celtic Sea. This is coming from our book that is entitled Siren's Atlas. And this is in honor of Juan the Yarn Addict. He gifted me this book. And this is by Shirley Husband. And I did Biscay. This is so pretty. I wanted to do Java, but I want to tell you all that I definitely couldn't do Java because I was watching a movie and I got all into the movie and messed up the stitches, so I couldn't do Java. I just couldn't do it. So I went ahead and I picked another one the following day, which was today, and I decided to do this one. I used yarn from my stash to make this beautiful YarnSquare. So let me know what you think in the comments. I'm so excited. And I'm happy that we will be creating 64 of these YarnSquares. So if you're interested, feel free to join in, order your book, and you may get lucky and you may win a book if some of us gift any of these books. But look at this. So pretty. These squares represent 64 different ocean or bodies of water, I should say, around the world. And this is Biscay. So it is number 21. Hopefully you all can see that. That's the one that I did out of the book. So you all will have to stay tuned to Juan the Yarn Addict's channel and also my channel to see any future squares. But I definitely wanted to honor and dedicate this square to Juan the Yarn Addict for gifting me this book. Greatly appreciate you for that. Check out OTCS National Crochet Month and watch all of their videos. Check out all of their content. We have some lovely channels that have joined in. We're coming up on the end of the month. So I look forward to seeing you all on the YT streets. And I want you all to live each day as if it were last. I'll see you guys next time.